Network devices. Here we have different type of network devices we are going to study. The first one is modem, RJ45, Ethernet card, switch, gateway, Wi-Fi card. These we call it as a networking devices. First we are going to discuss about modem. What do you mean by modem? It can be used to transfer the data over the telephone lines. We call it as a modem. So here the modem we call it as a modulator slash demodulator. Modulator MO and demodulator DEM. Together we call it as a modem. And here it can be used to transfer the analog signal to digital and digital signal to analog. This is the main working of modem. So how it will be transferred? The data will be transferred to telephone line. It will be in the analog mode. That will be converted to digital mode, and again it will be converted to digital to analog. That we call it as modulation and demodulation. Here over the telephone lines. Here there are two types of modems. One is internal modem and another one is external modem. Some of the computer they will provide internal modem. Some of the computer we have to connect through external modem. And the next thing is we are going to study about RJ45 connector. What do you mean by RJ45 connector? Mainly if you want to connect a computers in a network. So in a network, the computers are connected together. Each and every computer we call it as a node. Otherwise we call it as a node, or otherwise we call it as a workstation. Okay, see here, 8-wire connector, we call it as a RJ45. Why we are using RJ45? Sometimes if we want to connect 8 computers together in a hardware device, that we call it as RJ45. Here you can connect 8 wires. So 8 computers can be connected together to transfer the data over the network. We are using RJ45 connector. That will be used to connect the wires, 8 wires. That is a network. It's a plug-in device used to connect. And mainly it will be used in networking and telecommunication technology. Where we are using this RJ45, mainly we are using it for LAN. What do you mean by LAN? Local area network in an office or a school, or simple only in a building that we want to connect a computers, will be using RJ45 connector. That is nothing but a 8-wire connector that is used to connect 8 wire in a RJ45. Okay, the next third thing we are going for Ethernet card. What do you mean by Ethernet card? Why we are using Ethernet card? Ethernet card helps in computers to communicate over the network. That means in a network, if you want to connect computers together, that means if you are connecting the computers. So in each and every computer, we are inserting an Ethernet card. That is, otherwise we call it as a network interface card. Why we are using network interface card? That will be used to connect computers to the network. So it will be having a physical address inside the Ethernet card. That means that the manufacturer, they are setting a physical address. That address we call it as a MAC address. Why that physical address will be having the information about the computer. Which computer and that computer will be having in 6 numbers will be separated with colon. You know that IP address. The IP address will be having 4 numbers that will be like that. You are having IP address. Okay, that will be separated with a dot. This we call it as a IP address. Same way we have 6 numbers will be there. That will be separated with colon. That we call it as a MAC address. The MAC address, otherwise we call it as a physical address. First 3 numbers will be manufacturer ID, and remaining numbers will be the MAC address. We will be having 6 numbers. So that will be used to specify the physical address of the computer. Next we are going to talk about the switch. What do you mean by switch? Switch is nothing but it will be used to interconnect the computers on the device on the network. If in the network, if we want to connect the computers, we are using switch. This switch also can be used to filter the data and forward the data to a destination computer. That we call it as what? Switch. What is the purpose of switch? It is used to interconnect the computers in the network, and it will be used to filters, then it will forward the data to the destination computers. So, and it is also, we call it as a multi-port device. Why we are calling as a multi-port device means if the source, the data will be transferred and it will be refreshed for some time, and it will transfer the data to the destination device, destination port. Okay, that we call it as what? Switch. Then we are going for gateway. What is the purpose by using gateway? If you want to connect dissimilar network, first of all I have to explain about LAN, MAN and WAN. So we know that LAN, I have already explained LAN. What do you mean by LAN? LAN is a local area network. If you want to connect it to inside the buildings, there we will be using LAN. But in case if you are going for the WAN, that is internet connection, if you are connecting all over the world. So if you want to connect LAN with WAN or LAN with MAN, different type of network can be connected together by using gateway. That is a device that connect dissimilar network. These are the three types of network that you want to connect dissimilar network, that is LAN with WAN, LAN with MAN. Like that we are using gateway. So it is a device which establishes an intelligent connection between LAN and the external network. So LAN, you know, local area network with another network, external network, if you want to connect it, and it will be having completely different structure, not the same structure. That way we are using gateway. Then the next one is routers, otherwise we call it as routers. What is the purpose we are using routers in network device? It can be used to transmit the data from one device to another device. That we call it as routing. It's at the routing. So if you are transmitting the data from one device to another device, first of all it finds the shortest path from the source device to the destination. So if it is the path, the computer is like this. If you want to transmit the data from A, B, C, D. Now I want to transmit the data A to C. A to C. First of all it finds A to C, A to B, C. So there will be a shortest path is A to C. Another path is A to B and C. Another path is D to C. These are the different type of path. Within that, this one, the router, it will find the shortest path and it will transmit the data from the source to destination. So for that we will be using routing algorithms also there. Okay. So what is the purpose of router? Forward data packets from the source computer to the destination computers within the shortest path. The next one is Wi-Fi card. What do you mean by Wi-Fi? That is wireless fidelity. What is the usage of that? If you want to connect, if you want an internet connection, we are going for the Wi-Fi. So in that Wi-Fi card that will be installed onto the computer, means you will be having, it is nothing but an adapter, network adapter. So this adapter will be having Wi-Fi radio and Wi-Fi antenna that will be in your inside in your computer. So what is the purpose we are using? If you want to, without wire, if you want to get the internet connection to your computer, that is possible when we are going for the Wi-Fi. So that if you are using inside your system, you have to connect your Wi-Fi card. So then only you will be getting Wi-Fi to your computer. So these are the network device already. I told you that what are the network devices we are going to study. The first one is modem. It can be used to modulate and demodulate it. Second one, we have studied RJ45 connector. Why we are using RJ45 connector? It is an 8-wire connector. It is used to connecting the network. Third one is, I have explained, Ethernet card that will be inserted in your computer. Then only you can connect the computers in the LAN network. It is possible by using Ethernet card. And next one I have told you about switch. What is the purpose here? The same thing. It is also used to interconnect the network, but it will be used to filter and forward the data to the other computer. That means one port transmitting, that will be transmitted, refreshed, then it will be delivered to the destination. Then we are going for the gateway. It will be used to connect this similar network, LAN to WAN, different type of data structures that you can connect by using gateway. So the next one is routers. I told you it transmits the packet from source to destination. Router job is it will be routing from source to destination. So the data packets will be transmitted from the source to destination with the shortest path. It will find the shortest path and the data will be transmitted. The next one is Wi-Fi card. What is Wi-Fi card? Wi-Fi is wireless fidelity without any wire. If you want to connect the internet connection to your computer, that is possible. You have to insert Wi-Fi card into your computer. It will be automatically having, it is a network adapter. It will be having Wi-Fi antenna and Wi-Fi radio is attached.